Hello everyone, welcome to iExamB, and like we have been discussing various questions for RBI DEPR Phase 1 examination, we are now on day number 15 for the series of 50 days, 50 questions, where we discuss different questions from different topics. So simultaneously we are also preparing for topics by solving different questions. I hope you have solved the previous questions that I have discussed and understood well. Let's start with the question of the day. So here the question is that in a bivariate regression equation of y on x consisting of 20 observations, the explained and unexplained variations are 40 and 60 respectively. Calculate the standard error for this. Okay, this is what we have to find out. Okay, the options here are given as 3.87, 2.5, 2.0, 1.73 and 2.87. If you know how to solve this question, pause this video right now and solve it. Do not wait for me to solve and then come back. You should solve it yourself and then continue watching the video. Okay, if not, then let's start discussing how to solve such questions. See, first write down what all information do we have. So we have that the regression is of y on x. Y on x means what? That your y variable is your dependent variable, x is your independent variable, right? Consisting of 20 observations. So n is 20. This is known to us. And the explained and unexplained variations are 40 and 60. So total variation we know is equal to the sum of explained variation plus what is not explained by the regression, right? So this is equal to 40 plus 60, which is 100. This much information we have. Now you have to calculate the standard error for the same, right? So there is a relationship between your variation and the R square value. We know that the standard error of regression of y on x is given by sigma y under root 1 minus R square. I hope you remember this formula. This is a pretty straight forward formula, right? Now for this, so you have to calculate the standard error of the regression. For this you need sigma y and you need R square. Now just check the information that you already have. Can you calculate sigma y? Yes, of course I can calculate sigma y because I know the total variation is 100, right? So total variation is 100 means what? That summation y minus y bar whole square is 100. Now you have to find out sigma y. So this will be 100 upon n, right? Which is 20. So sigma y, now this is sigma square y, right? So you will get sigma square y to be 5. For standard deviation, you will have to take the under root, right? So sigma y we know what is. Now we need the R square value. So R square you know is ESS upon TSS, right? Explained sum of squares divided by the total sum of squares. Explained we know is 40, total sum of squares is 100. So your R square value will now be 0.4. Now plug in these values here in the standard error of regression for y and x. You get sigma y is root 5, right? 1 minus R square, 0.4 under root. This is going to give you your standard error of the regression, which is 5 times 0.6 under root. Okay, solve this, you get root 3, which is equal to 1.73. Hence your right answer is answer D, 1.73. Okay, keep preparing, attempt the mocks, right? As I'm continuously saying, these are very helpful for your preparation. Okay. Okay, if you have any other queries, you can call us here. Thank you.